Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, November the 15th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, and it's also time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Anyway, the first Sudoku I will start is this one, the 3 star Sudoku number 5483. 5483. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3, 4, 2. So why? We have here 1, 3, 3 fours, 1 5, 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. So the 2s and the 9s are in majority. Can I start with the 9? Yeah. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9. 9, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So in the column between, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see here 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 2 then? Now 2, 2, 2, yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 3 boxes here. 2 in this column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this column. No 2 there. Here 2 in the first column. So no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing number in this third column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. 1, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Oh no, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 1 and a 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this third column is number 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this third column should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see which number can I pick. The 2 in this row, overlooked 2 in that row. So in the row between, in the middle row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 in the middle column. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then, let me see. 5, 9, 5, 5, 5, 5. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this first row, so no 6 there. Here a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be here. Well. 4. Come on. We have a pair, the 4 and the 7 in this column, the 4 and the 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Alright, so the 3, the 5, and 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, then 7 and a 4, okay. Let me see. 6, 2, 1. Come on. What 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. No 5 here. 5, 5. I'm thinking. 4, 4. Come on. 7, 4, 7. Oh, we have a pair here. Here we have a 1 and a 5. That means that those 2 boxes should be 7 and a 4. Here we have a 5 and 8. That means those 2 boxes in this row, 7 and a 4. So here we have a pair 7 and 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number the 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3, 7, yeah. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 3, 4. Need a 5, 5. 7. 7. Yeah. 5. Come on. 4, 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 and 2. 5 and 5 and 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Okay. Yeah. 10 minutes. Yes. I see here the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the first column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and a 6. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. And look, we have a pair here. Here, pair. So these two should be the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Right, 3 and the 6. But it's not helping me now. Okay. 5 and 9. 5, 8 and 6. Yeah, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 7, 5, 7, 5, and 3. Come on. 5 and 8. 5, 8, and 3 should be here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, and then 9. 9. 5, 8, and a 6. 6, 6. 5 and 8. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 4, 4, 4, 4 here. 4, no. 4. 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 7, 7, 4, and 3 is missing here. 7, 4, and 3. 7, 4, and 3. 3 and 4. 7 and 3. Here should be the 5. 5, 4, and 3. 5, 4, 3, and 7. Yeah. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 8. 8. 8. I'm thinking. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 7 in this. Oh, wait. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no need to place left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, no need to place left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 3. Oh, overlooked this 3. We have a 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. Overlooked. 3, 3, 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, middle row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 5 and an 8. Okay. 5 and an 8. 5 and an 8. Need an 8 here. 8, 5 and an 8. 5. 5, 5. That means here 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. 5 and 8. We have a 5 now in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And then the 8. 8, yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 9, we have a pair 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Okay. 3. So here should be the 7 and the 4 are left. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 4 in this column. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 now in this second row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left. The 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5, it should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finishing, well, 20 minutes. Almost 20 minutes. What is this, really a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 3 puzzles. The binary, the tectonic, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. See you then. Bye-bye for now.